Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a brain teaser for you. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 8th, 2021. We have here 3 regular Sudokus. The first one I have solved is a binary, the second I will do is a medium Sudoku, and later on the killer Sudoku. 3 brain teasers for you. But in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra Sudokus or puzzles. I believe there are 6 extra puzzles in the additional. I won't do them all, only 3 of them I will solve. But first I will solve this baby medium Sudoku number 3362. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right. 27 printed digits if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. This will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So the first column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there, and the only place for the 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this row. So no 3 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 2. All right. Then we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Then 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright. Alright. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then. One, two, three. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. And look, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Okay. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. And we have a pair, 9 and a 5 in this row. 9 and a 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 9 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 9 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in this box. There 9, no 9 in that box. Here also a 9, no 9 in this box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then. How about 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, alright. Then 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. So 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and a 2. Alright, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Three missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. 1 box left in the third row. 1, the 2 is missing. Yes, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Alright. Two missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Oh, alright. Alright. Oh, alright. 1, 3, 4, 3, 4. We have a 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see. There's no 4, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing, 2. And the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Oh, right. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And I find no 2 numbers of this big square. The 1 and the 2 are missing. We see here a 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes, faster than 50 minutes. So definitely a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.